We're currently in the process of building a 35,000 square foot facility that's going to house all of our mechanical exchange operations and our board repair operations. When I talk about mechanical exchange operations, it's going to be any spindle that's in a machine tool in the United States or any area that we support. It's also going to include all cam boxes, B-axis units, and in the future we're going to repair all attachment heads for double column machining centers in the United States. As we relocate our mechanical exchange and board repair departments into our new facility, it's going to increase the floor space we have available to store spare parts for our customers. One of the areas that will be increasing is our ability to add options to machines that are sold to customers. This process currently may take a couple weeks. If we increase our floor space by 15 to 20 machines per month, our customers will get their machines delivered to them faster with all the options installed prior to arrival. As we continue to increase our capacity in our board repair and mechanical exchange areas, we forecast to increase our manpower by up to 3 times in the next 5 years. By doing this, we're going to be able to pick and ship spare parts and get them delivered to your building within 1 day for all orders. As we continue to streamline operations here at Okuma America, we continue to listen to the customer's voice to make sure that we're able to meet and exceed all of your demands every single day.